Kaham, joto press media cengbai kerung kamera, and pipeline hambai ya perlu, joto cini hasil lutu, cengtini Kanjanpur sub division ni TISF, ni ceng sub division committee, ceng khaga full fledged committee ni mana, boni convener ceng congka, cini Nandus Kumar Riang Babno, and bono khoboi ceng taibo khorok ba ceng joint convener ceng conglena tomone haipano. Cinoro tini ni salo ছাত্র joto sokai yani karone jeng joint convener apatot khorok tam chongkha tei khorok nei chung chakma bosongni chung chongnai ni wangsuk tongo and boni loge loge chung Kanjanpur je college unit oboni bahino chung tini chung full fledged committee khasongmalia boni bagai chung Kanjanpur college unit ni in charge of committee no daki khana bagai chung in charge khorok bana chung chongai rikha tini o pandao Cini loge, cengno cini o TISF ni pandano, ceng sa kai tui dulu songsana bagai cini oro cini di promote hani district president block president borong guna cini Suresh Riang district president borong guna Suresh Riang tai oro ni je YTF ni netituli tonai Kirish Kumar Riang umaki oro je cini BC ni chairman Gandhira Riang borok cengno tini pipeline mane belai kino chubakha bon bagai ang khaksama belai kino ang hambaya porbo and cini loga tini ni pandawo bises kai cini in charge TISF ni in charge tai ano kari tai khoroni botongo cini da David Morasing and Peter Dayong Deporma borok bahino chomai baksa tini TISF ni o pandawo phaisa phaika and boni sathe sathe YTF ni central committee ni organizing secretary khoroni bo phaisa paikya param ganang Swarna Kumar Tripura tai Baki Deborma and tai khorsa tongo chini Rocky Morasi hambai
Prasad division ni TISF ni convener ungya na chungo ha aro chini tre joining convener ungya mai senai khok tham tongo khok ba khemani no tre ke ni ke bo chakmas rono khenai ba ya bun jagala dia ha khetre chini Kanjanpur sub division no TISF ni in charge ko no chungo ha college unit ni in charge ko chungo